Dad, I can't cast right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to go sidearm. Got him.
Oh yeah.
Got my go.
Don't get your arm in front of you.
I know. There he is. Hey, this thing's not sitting still. First decent fish I got on my GoPro. I got my hand all on my GoPro now. I dropped my rod. He's bleeding bad, Dad. Oh. If it just calmed down, he'd be alright. Where's that? I can't get that other hook out. He's too deep. Can you help me with that? I have to switch hands. Well, let's see here.
There it is.
On. Actually, Mike got it now.
Good gosh, I can't believe you swallowed it like that.
Oh no. Is he gonna live? 'Cause he's bleeding pretty bad down there.
All right, let's see.
I don't even see the other hook.
Hold on.
There you go. I got you. Bella.
No, girl. No.
Bella, stop. See
There's the
that?
hook right there.
Why did he swallow that thing so deep? I've never seen a fish tack something so hard like that.
Look, I took it out. You see that?
Oh no, I see you. I couldn't find that other hook because I didn't see it hooked through him like that.
Okay.
Alright. Ready?
She got some eggs.
Let's get a nice GoPro
Look how big that
release.
fish is!
Yeah, you're being stupid now.
Where'd it go?
Alright, here.
Take it out that way.
Yeah.
So it's probably not any trails getting down under your tent. Got those rocks right there.
Yeah. Hey, I wouldn't blame him. I wouldn't want to bring something any possibility. I haven't caught any big ones since that one. This is another red eye. No, it's a smallmouth. Yeah. And that one red eye I'll have to show you, but he was fat. Fattest red eye I've ever seen out of here.
You know what that looks like? It looks like a green bag.
Man, I'm
There's
dead.
a
Can
tater.
I keep this one?
Yeah. That's my favorite color.
Get him at Bass Pro, right?
The XPS.
Yeah, the XPS. There we go. That's what I'm saying. Every other cast, I got one. That's a big old red eye. Alright now. Please not flip. Yeah, I figured you would. Still says I'd say so. This morning. Dad, he's like not coming out of here. Oh, I got him, and I stabbed myself. Oh. Yep. It's another red eye. Jeez. Dad, this thing is fat. Holy smokes. Dad, look. Can you see the belly on this thing from here? It's eating good. No, I just set the hook real hard on him. Yeah, I can just... A little smallmouth. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, treble hooks. Man, they scare me whenever I'm trying to take them out with fish when there's 2 sets of them. Nah, I was making sure that I didn't have fingerprints all over my lens. Oh! Did you see that?
Turn to it so you get on film.
Well, right now I'm more worried about getting the fish in. That was funny.
God.
I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just reel it in because.
Big one.
Yeah, he is. Come here, boy.
Wow.
Oh yeah, he's fighting hard. That's why I like catching smallmouth. That's a nice fish.
That's a pig, man.
That is a pig. Okay.
Stop, Bella. You got him?
Mm-hmm. Look at that fish.
Oh, I'm gonna lay him on my arm, see.
Let me get the pliers real quick.
I got you.
Sure. Alright.
You got the fish?
Yeah, I got the fish. Let's see. Hold that real quick. You ready? I'm gonna take off my GoPro and you can get me hold.
Okay.
That way we can actually get a picture.
Mm-hmm. Lay him on your arm.
Oh, let me get a good picture of it, Dad. You're moving. Face the camera up a little bit more. There you go.
Okay.
Good picture.
Yeah, lay him across your arm now. All the way till the tail touches the end. There you go.
Yeah. Dad, you're not facing me.
Wow.
Put it underwater so we can get like a shot of him being released in the water. You ready? You just